The 2026 Kawasaki W230 carries forward Kawasaki's timeless retro philosophy, blending vintage design with modern reliability. Built for riders who appreciate simplicity and character, the W230 reflects classic Japanese craftsmanship while meeting today's expectations for efficiency and comfort. This model stands as a tribute to old-school motorcycling with a refined contemporary touch, presented by Acer Showroom. Retro-inspired design language. The W230 showcases a clean, minimalist silhouette inspired by classic roadsters. A round headlamp, teardrop-style fuel tank, wire-spoke wheels, and chrome-accented components give the motorcycle a nostalgic appearance. Every detail, from the seat stitching to the exhaust shape, emphasizes heritage styling without feeling outdated. Engine and performance character. Powering the 2026 Kawasaki W230 is a smooth, lightweight single-cylinder engine designed for relaxed and efficient riding. The engine focuses on linear power delivery, making city commuting and weekend cruising effortless. Rather than chasing high-performance figures, the W230 prioritizes a calm, enjoyable riding experience with dependable torque and refined throttle response. Comfortable and rider-friendly ergonomics. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make the W230 suitable for riders of all experience levels. Its balanced weight distribution enhances control at low speeds, while the comfortable suspension setup absorbs road imperfections easily. This motorcycle is built for daily rides without fatigue. Modern features with a classic feel. Despite its vintage look, the 2026 W230 includes modern essentials such as fuel injection, efficient braking systems, and updated electrical components. These features improve reliability, fuel efficiency, and overall ride confidence, while still preserving the bike's classic mechanical feel. Ideal for urban and leisure riding. The Kawasaki W230 is perfectly suited for city streets, scenic roads, and relaxed weekend journeys. Its approachable size and easy handling make it an excellent option for new riders, while experienced motorcyclists will appreciate its charm and simplicity. A timeless addition to the W series. With the 2026 Kawasaki W230, Kawasaki continues the legacy of the W series by offering a motorcycle that values tradition, quality, and everyday usability. It's a bike designed to be enjoyed, admired, and ridden for years to come. Another standout classic showcased by Acer Showroom.